We get questions all the time about what to say when a conversation just isn't flowing. And to be honest, we are full of great answers, great things to talk about, ways to create small talk so it doesn't feel like you're pulling teeth. But sometimes it's just too tough. There are those moments when it's either too difficult to make conversation happen, or you're in a situation where you just don't want to have to work that hard. So today we're going to go out and have some very awkward, teeth-pulling conversations and moments with Deb from Master of None.
Thank you so much for dinner. That was great.
Yeah, that place is good, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to come over and have a drink?
Oh, I think I'm just gonna grab a cab and head home. I'm kind of tired.
Yeah.
But thank you again for dinner.
Yeah, that was really fun.
Yeah, it was really fun.
All right.
All right, bye.
Fuck, that wasn't fun at all.
Hi, I'm Sam, co-founder of Life's Secret Sauce, where we teach motivated professionals how to fast-track their career and live the life of their dreams using the social skills we should have learned in school, like making eye contact, reading body language, and making small talk, instead of learning that real diamonds can be made from peanut butter. I thought this was a little bit crazy, so I actually looked it up. I did a lot of research, and this is a real thing, so check that out. Okay, I'm just gonna walk around with like a peanut ring on, and it's gonna be the same thing. So anyway, let's talk about those moments when you feel like you have nothing to say. Most of the time, our answer is that you should comment on something that is visible to both people, so both people can relate to it. This will give you an automatic conversation topic. The difficulty comes when even that leaves you with nothing to say.
You been to this bar before?
Yeah.
It's good cocktails, right?
Yeah.
Hey guys, flat or sparkling?
Sparkling, please.
I'll do flat.
So, how was your day?
It was good. We did a taping of Clash of the Cupcakes. We had that dance crew, the Jabberwockies, on earlier this week.
Who is that?
They're like these guys. They like dance, they have masks. They were really good.
Cool.
How about you? How was your day?
Yeah, it was pretty normal day, just meetings and whatnot.
All right. Well, with sparkling water, huh?
Yeah.
More of a flat water guy. Sometimes I'll do sparkling water with lemon. That's fun.
I like flat water too. I mean, they're both good.
Yeah. They both are good.
So Dev is on a date with this woman, and he had a great time the last time he was on a date, but today they just can't seem to get on the same page. Even using the tips and tricks that we talk about, like discussing what's in front of them, has led to minimal conversation. The awkward pauses and clear lack of chemistry has, I think, made both of them sort of give up on the whole situation. In a situation where both parties truly want to make a conversation work, they will think of input and add to the conversation. It's just bound to happen. If there comes a moment when either party has decided that they just don't want to try anymore, then the conversation is bound to go downhill. When trying to build rapport for a friendship or relationship, decisions can be made that you just don't click with someone. That's okay. However, the same decision can't be made when you're networking and trying to build a business relationship. It's important to try to dig a little further into someone to find something to discuss when you're in those situations.
So, should we split a few pastas?
Oh, I don't really love splitting. I'd kind of rather just order for myself, if that's okay.
Yeah, of course. But they do encourage sharing, you sure?
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get the fish.
All right. Don't ask for a bite of mine.
All right.
Oh, you can have a bite. Do anything fun for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm going to a Rangers game. Are you into hockey?
I know of hockey. I've never been to a game, though. Or watched one on TV, but I've heard it's fun.
It's fun, yeah. I grew up watching a bunch of sports with my dad. What about you? Do you watch any sports?
I do not. Thank you. So here, I guess they just pour you flat water. They don't even ask. Interesting.
Yeah.
I like how there's no ice. Sometimes water gets a little too cold.
Yeah, no, this is a good temperature.
So in this case, I tried talking about hobbies, things I like to do, food choices. But when everything else fails, I went back to that one conversation topic, water. This date is clearly going very poorly. So what words of wisdom can we give in these scenarios? Well, first of all, you can tell that Dev is really trying. He brings up conversation topics, asks questions, and tries to get his date talking. She, on the other hand, is the one that smiles awkwardly and doesn't provide any input. From an outsider's perspective, I would think she doesn't really want to be there in the first place. Remember, it's perfectly okay not to click with everyone you meet. Both people were polite and they made it through the night, and then they went their separate ways.
Okay, then tell me about your night with her.
Well, we went to a wine bar, and then we went to this roof bar, and then we had some kissing in the cab.
Oh, and then what? Did you call her the day after?
I sent her a nice text message that night that said, "Hey Priya, thanks for a lovely evening. I'm jealous of the lucky pillow that gets to hold your beautiful face tonight." That's nice, right? What? That's a nice text. If you got a text like that from a guy, you wouldn't be like, "Oh, that's sweet."
No, I would do it. Oh.
Be polite, be kind, but you don't have to hang out again if it just isn't going to work out. Try to remember, your spare time is meant to be spent with people who inspire you, who you enjoy to be around. If your social time feels like work, then you aren't doing it right. Save pushing through those tough conversations for moments that count. Interviews, networking events, and dinners with the in-laws. So there you have it. Thanks to Deb, we learned that there's sometimes just no perfect way to have a great conversation. So muster through what you have to, be polite, and move on. Sometimes you just aren't going to click. I hope you enjoyed and feel a little more at ease knowing that you're not the only person out there that has really awkward conversations. What's the strangest conversation topic that you've ever turned to for an awkward moment? Let us know in the comments below. If there's anything more boring than flat versus sparkling water, I want to hear it. Don't forget to click subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video again. Set the alert so you know when we're coming out with videos. They come out every Monday and Friday, and our expert series comes out every single Wednesday. Take a moment and pop on over to our website, lifesecretsauce.com, where you can sign up for our newsletter and we can deliver the awesome straight to your inbox. And until next time, ciao for now.